Hi, everyone. Today I'm joined by Gretchen Perry, Managing Director of Slalom's U.S. Public and Social Impact. Gretchen, it's great to see you and actually here in person together. Welcome to In the Cloud.
Thank you, Jeff.
Now, can you introduce Slalom to our audience?
Slalom is a purpose-led global business and technology consulting company that's grown organically over the last 20 years to 13,000 team members today worldwide. Our mission is to help people and organizations dream bigger, move faster, and build better tomorrows for all through strategy, technology, and transformation. And we do this through Slalom's local model with global scale approach. The consulting industry, as you know, is known for constant travel. But we decided to be different. We wanted to work in the cities that we live in and love and raise our families in. Our consultants love working side by side our clients and are personally invested in their success because the communities they serve are our communities too. And we all want to live in safe, healthy, vibrant communities.
Now, can you tell our audience a little bit about the innovative work that Slalom has been doing in partnership with AWS? What problems are you solving as the customers accelerate their digital transformation?
In fact, in recognition of our partnership, last year at reInvent, we were awarded 3 Partner of the Year awards. SI for North America, Education for Global, and Enterprise Partner for Canada. So thank you.
Congratulations, very well earned.
Thank you. For our public and social impact customers specifically, we're definitely seeing increased focus and adoption of AI and ML tools that automate data and processes and generate critical insights. We all know in our business that data is king. I like to say queen as well.
Absolutely, Bill.
And oftentimes our government, education, and nonprofit clients, that data is locked in paper documents or manual processes or standalone systems. AWS and Slalom are helping clients turn their data into information and then into knowledge and ultimately into wisdom. One example we're working on is a POC we're building for a customer that uses native AWS intelligent document processing to digitize the domestic violence incident data so that prosecutors can better connect case information and protect victims. And we're looking at doing something similar on human trafficking and child protective services cases. We found that showing organizations how even 1 or 2 AWS services could dramatically change the way that they work, the way that they make decisions, and ultimately how they impact their customers is a game changer for our clients.
How can Slalom and AWS continue to invent and simplify together for our customers?
Our public sector customers are all facing similar challenges, right? When we make investments together to build repeatable services and solutions around common problems, we enable our customers to dream bigger, move faster, even as they face extremely complex challenges like housing insecurity, natural disasters, or gender-based violence. I think we have a great strategy, Jeff. We start by centering on the problems that we want to address and the impact we want to have, and then we identify the small steps that are needed and where technology can be helpful to start to address these bigger problems.
What's your approach? It sounds very familiar to the Amazon working backwards from the customer.
Exactly. We lay out the incremental solutions and services that will help all of our clients that face the same challenges fulfill their missions better and reach their goals faster. We invent and simplify by focusing on common problems and investing in repeatable solutions that enable our customers both near-term and long-term success. And when we can do this at scale, there truly are no limits to what AWS and Slalom can achieve together.
Now, Gretchen, in your title, you include social impact in addition to public sector, I think is wonderful. Can you tell us a little bit about the social impact that Slalom is making?
For me personally, Jeff, I'm most proud of the work we're doing around gender inequality. In fact, in addition to the client-focused work I highlighted earlier, Slalom and AWS actually made history together on an initiative called Project Ada. In 2018, our CEO, Brad Jackson, made a commitment at reInvent to increase our own AWS certifications held by women from 6% at the time to 50% in order to reach gender parity.
And how are you doing on that goal?
In only 2 short years, in 2020, Slalom achieved gender parity in our AWS certifications. That was made possible through our partnership with AWS.
Amazing progress. Gretchen, thank you so much for your business, your trust, and your ongoing partnership. The future is bright together.
We love the impact we're having with AWS.
Thank you.
Thank you.